Hi everyone, this is Cassie here, and I am so excited because in this video I will make a full review of the Lanmodo Vast Pro Night Vision Dashcam. First thing we're gonna do is open it up. So this is a dashcam that is more functioning as a night vision monitor to make it easier for you to see in the dark while driving, and it's gonna be very exciting to see how this works. Since you know Sweden is a very northern country, we have lots of darkness during the year. It's fall right now and it's really dark when I go to work, when I start driving. It is dark for a couple of hours during my work days, and it is becoming dark before I even manage to get home. So lots of dark hours on the road. So I think this could be a perfect thing. Oh, there we have it! My little cat is very excited as well. What is this? Let's take it out. So here we have it, the Lanmodo Vast Pro Night Vision System. Also, yeah, I have my cat here for company and love and joy. You know, for such a long time I have not been having a dash cam in my truck, and I feel a bit concerned about it, especially when I'm driving in Stockholm area, because you can never trust people in traffic when driving in Stockholm, so this will be interesting. Even if this camera works as a dash cam, its main focus is how well it performs during the night, so that you will be able to spot like obstacles like a deer or something jumping out. So this one came with a 128GB card for the camera. I think that is about a full day of recording. Instruction book. Okay, here's the camera itself. Ooh. So it's really more like a monitor than a full dash cam. This is the camera part. So it comes with these kind of connections. I think you can have it like this way or the other way around, depending on how you want to mount it in your car or truck. They told me this works with the 12 volt output, and I have both 24 volts and 12 in my truck. Alright, this is like you can mount it on your dashboard in your car. Yeah, it also comes with a like suction cup. Yeah, this one. Yeah, this is perfect. So you can like slam it on the the windscreen. And since I'm moving around a lot in the trucks, I don't have my personal truck, so I'm gonna go with this solution. But if I had my personal truck all the time, I would probably go with this one. So that's perfect that you can choose. Oh, what? It comes with a little screwdriver. And there we have the 12 volt cable. Perfect, so you just connect it. This is so tiny. Alright, we're all ready to start filming. Let's start driving. So I have been using this camera for a couple of weeks now, and yeah, I like it. It's a good camera. First of all, this is not really a dash cam, it is a night vision monitor. So, you know, like the Mercedes digital mirrors, this one works kind of the same. The camera picks up the front view, or I have been using it like a rear view mirror, but you see in front of you instead of behind you. Daytime it's a good camera, yeah. The thing is, it is very zoomed in for some reason, and I don't know why really. I guess it's because it's supposed to help you view forward in the darkness. I did some comparing with my GoPro camera, along with this one. The GoPro is not close to seeing in the dark as much as this one does. And just like a digital mirror in a truck, like the new Mercedes mirrors, they are completely digital. You have a monitors instead on the side, instead of mirrors. This camera films in front of you, and you're always looking forward when driving, but this one helps you give a little heads up when you're driving in the darkness. I think that's the reason it's a bit zoomed in. It's supposed to help you see, like, do we have anything in the front? It really helps to see in the dark, but of course you're not staring at the monitor while driving. I just take a little peeks in it every once in a while. Also, the main thing I'm gonna use this for is like insurance, in case something happens. Like yesterday when I was driving in a dark road, suddenly animals appeared. Where I'm driving right now, it's lots of wildlife running on the roads, so it was very close. There was an accident there, but luckily everyone was safe. This is what the camera got. Never care for what they do. Never care for what they do. But I know. Like it's branded, it's supposed to be used when driving in the darkness, but I use it during day driving as well, because yeah, it works as a dash cam. It is perfectly fine as a dash cam as well, but if you're looking for a like mint quality dash cam, there are other options out there, I think. But this one, yeah, it does the job. It really does. And for night driving, the monitor can be a bit bright with the default settings, so I recommend going into the menu. The menu looks like this. It doesn't have a touch screen, so it has buttons here. It's a really easy menu to understand. Also, you want to set it up if you're gonna have it standing on the dashboard like this, or you're gonna have it hanging like I do. You want to let the camera know which way is the right way. I recommend going in the menu and turn down the brightness and whatever kind of preferences you have before driving. It's a really easy menu to understand, and yeah, I think I prefer this connection, the suction thing on the screen, rather than the thing there where you put it on the dashboard. Because I have so many different trucks I'm driving, I can't really permanently mount it anywhere. This is not a camera you're supposed to use for like having nice driving footage. The night vision thing is supposed to help you see, not like have amazing movies or anything. There are other cameras for that. If you have a video camera, you don't use that as a dash cam anyway, so this is like a different camera compared to my GoPros I'm using for my videos. I have been driving this truck for a couple of days now, so I've just popped out the little memory card. Both the memory card and the memory card reader came with the box with this camera, so yeah, I just go home and I pick out the footage I need to save. Also, yeah, I haven't tried it yet, but if you have this in your car or in your truck, if you drive the same truck preferably, there's like a parking mode on this one, which means that your car is turned off. This one looks like it's turned off as well, but while it's connected, it's still filming. So if you have the nose pointed towards a yard or something, the camera will pick up whatever is walking there while it looks like it's turned off. I think that's very cool. It's also a good insurance thing. Also, I haven't checked the price on it, but you can use my link as a discount on this camera if you're interested in buying it. And I want to say thank you for watching, and thank you to Lanmodo for making this video possible. And of course, have a nice day. Stay safe out there.